So we got to ask you one thing just to clear it up. I think it's pronounced BioNTech. One of our producers confirmed. Is that right? Are we pronouncing your company name right?
Yeah, you can pronounce it. It's BioNTech or BioNTech. So it is. We did not dictate how the company should be pronunciated.
Gotcha. So we're all right. Okay. 90% efficacy you showed in this phase 3 trial yesterday with your partner, Pfizer. You are a relatively young biotech company founded in 2008. Did you ever think you'd see that level of efficacy? What was that moment like for you and the folks at your company?
Of course, it was a wonderful moment because we didn't expect this high efficacy rate scientifically. Of course, it is in the range of something which could happen, but with regard to the aspect that this virus is unknown and we don't know escape mechanisms, we don't know how hard it will be to address that. An efficacy rate of over 90% is incredibly positive, and therefore we are absolutely happy with this outcome.
Now, vaccine experts have told us they still have a lot of questions about the data. Does the vaccine appear to prevent severe disease? Does it work as well in the elderly as it does in younger people? Obviously, the information available right now is limited, but what can you tell us about those details?
So it is important. These questions are indeed important. We need to collect further data and learn about that. These are relevant questions. So this was our first interim analysis. We expect to have a full data set for our primary endpoint analysis, which requires about 164 infection cases in about 2 to 3 weeks from now. Yeah? And once we have this full data set, we can explore the data and investigate how the case split is, how the protection in the elderly population is, how the protection in the younger population is, and if we observe severe cases in the control group. This information will come up and mature in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Ugur, it's Kelly here. If it's BioNTech, why not capitalize the O and the N? That's my one question. But seriously, congratulations. And my real question is, can you explain what you are contributing in this partnership with Pfizer, and what investors should think about the success here, meaning for your future prospects?
Yeah, so we are a next generation immunotherapy company. The technology behind this vaccine, the messenger RNA technology, and the vaccine candidates have been developed in Germany. So we started this project in January 2020, identified started with more than 20 candidates, and we provided the vaccine candidates. We took care of the manufacturing of the clinical batches for the clinical trial, and we are also experts in T-cell immunology. So we investigated the T-cell immune responses for these vaccines. Pfizer executed the clinical trials in the United States. We executed clinical trials here in Germany. And of course, Pfizer was responsible for execution of the worldwide phase 3 trial, which provided now this endpoint analysis, interim analysis.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.